You stupid boy, don't know that law always wins. They already broke open the door, so don't ignore that jail is the only waste of all your sins. I need you, baby. I never do what you want, I never do what you need. Don't treat me honey like a slave on your ground. I never go on my knees. There's a fire burning out on the street, I can't bear the heat. You claim it was my fault, but I know it was you still hiding the truth. What have you done with them? They are screaming, can't you hear them, can't you hear them? Did you ever lose a tear? No, 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 no. You never got a feeling. Can't you hear them?
Thing from coast to coast. Nothing can stop me from getting my dough. Nothing can stop me from walking these shows. I never stand still, I got to go. I'm street preacher, shot caller, Mike Wrecker. When I drop on your block corners, rhymes rock ya. Boy, better watch your mouth, cause I'm gon' get ya. Wet ya, forget ya, I never trust a hater. Doing the damn thing from coast to coast. Nothing can stop me from getting my dough. Nothing can stop me from walking these shows. I never stand still, I got to go. I'm to be the man that you love to hate. I create every day, feeling great. Now everybody see me, they say, oh my God, what happened to you, man? I thought you was gone.